Hey everyone, so today I got the Royal Gourmet. This one is a huge grill. You got 5 regular burners plus a 6th burner that's for searing, and then you have your outdoor like kitchen burner as well. It is stainless steel. You got a very large lid. You got a huge amount of surface area. I will show it working here shortly and just kind of give you an idea of what it looks like on the outside first. On the underneath, you do have 2 doors. One side is going to be for your propane tank. The other side, you can fit some things in. You do have a little bar in there for support. You could take that out, but I would prefer to leave it. So you can put a few things in the bottom. This side over here, you just have pretty much just something that you can store things on while you're cooking, pans and whatever. You got this large surface area. And then, like I said, you got your little burner over here. Everything does have an electronic ignition. So this far one here is your Sear burner. You can see that it has kind of an extra large burner for this one section. Normally you got the 1 rod, but this one has a U. And then also the little metal tray shield thing is a little bit different as well, allowing a little bit more heat. And you'll be able to get this side much hotter to do your quick searing, which is great for if you do things such as like sous vide and you just want a really fast sear. Go ahead and light them up for you. They light up super easy. And these things put out a lot of heat very quickly. Yeah, it could already get really hot. So I'll show you with it cooking. This grill gets really hot, works really well. Right now I just have 4 burners going, but you can fire up those other couple and get it even hotter, but it works really well.